Happy Friday. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a good day. Now, if you're a fan of new projects like I am, smash that like button because I have another exciting new one today. It's a promotional project and it is called Build a Block. Here's the website, buildablock.finance. This one's a little bit different than some of the other projects I covered. They've been around for a full year, since May 2022. They run like a regular company. They have customers, sales, revenues. They've been generating revenues for most of that last year, but this project still has the new token feel because they just recently pivoted or they migrated, switched chains from the Binance Smart Chain to the Ethereum Smart Chain. So they did have a tradable token on the Binance Smart Chain previously. That's irrelevant now. And just this last week on the 22nd, they officially migrated to the Ethereum Smart Chain. So it's a totally different price chart here. This is the only one, the only contract address that you want to worry about. Links will be at the bottom. So let's check out the DexT page in a little bit more detail right here. So here they are, $360,000 market cap. So, small market cap, not quite micro, a little bit above that. Here's the price chart. This is pretty good here. It looks like they peaked earlier in the week at around $600,000-$700,000. Looks like they're forming some consolidation, a good base right here. This chart, quick glance, looks like it's, ready to kind of trend up at a diagonal. We shall see. Right there. What else do we have here? 235 holders. That's pretty good. Again, you shoot for, so it's been 1 week. You shoot for 1,000 holders in 1 month. So they are pretty much exactly on pace to hit the 1,000 holder mark. Currently trading on just Uniswap right there. Possibly some centralized exchanges later. 62 DexT score. That's pretty good right there. Volume $43,000. Most of the trades look like they're in the $500, $600, $300, $400 range right there. 5% buy tax, 5% sell tax. More on that in a little bit. And then I looked at the audit. Everything looks good. If you do click on these links, you would see there might be a red mark for that they can update their fees. I mean, I think that's a good thing because then they can, if they want to update the fees and lower the taxes from 5% to 0%, 1%, they can. So that kind of shows up as sort of a red mark in the audit, but that's a good thing if you ask me. So now to see kind of what this project does exactly, let's check out the website right there. So you see, just to give you a little kind of briefing, so many projects advertise themselves as builders. We build, we build, we build. Well, most of the new projects out now are meme coins. Yes, they have an artist, a graphic designer on their team, designing all the memes for their Twitter page. Is that really building? Sort of, not really. This project is actually building. So what they do is they provide they build the products, the dApps, they provide the services for you. If you're running another coin, another new project, and you need to add some utilities. So let's take a look at their website to see what the specific sort of services they provide, products they can build for you. So Build a Block Finance, buildablock.finance, that's what it is. So let's click on services and dApp development. Let's go down here. So if you want to wrap your token, for example, the way Ethereum has a wrapped version, WETH, you can do that. If you want to build a launch pad in your token, they will do that for you. If you want to add a liquidity locker to your token, they can, if you want to, it's a locker. If other people give their tokens to you and you need a locker to store it to show your trustability to them, then you can do that right there. Build that. They have NFT services, NFT staking, NFT mints. So like on the NFT page where you see that mint new NFT, they actually provide the functionality, the coding for that link to work right there. Lottery, so many projects that giveaways, and then, but is it really fair? Are they just kind of picking somebody they know, or is the giveaway really going to a random person? They provide the service that ensures full transparency and fairness. They do the actual lottery for you. They, make sure that the payment actually goes to the winner in that person's wallet. And then if part of the winnings are going to go to the burn wallet as well, that makes sure the other part goes to the burn wallet. That's good. I really like that function right there. And everything costs money here, as you can see, as a revenue generating product. So that's $800 for that right there. NFT staking, $2,000. Yield farming, this is one of the more high-end products. They're still building out this one here. This one looks a little bit more pricey, $7,500. Then also app development. So these guys do sound like they are just basic coders when it comes down to it. So, meme coins don't really have an iOS or an Android app version of the product, but, other coins do, like little trading apps. They do. They all have apps. So if you want to if your product actually needs an app to build on your phone, iOS or Android, they can do that for you. They can also develop sort of more simple play to earn games if you're into that. So really kind of multifaceted. Now let's go click on this base services. What else do they offer? Let's wait till this link loads. Let's see. So you can build out your smart contract. So this is actually pretty cheap. So building out the smart contract means you What do you, when you build out a contract, what do you want the fees to be? Do you want it so you can change the fees? What smart chain is it going to be on? What do you want your sort of string of letters to look like? Is it going to be a max wallet amount? You have to make all those decisions when you're building your smart contract, the actual token address. They do that for you. It's pretty cheap. I didn't know this. Only $200 to build a basic smart contract, $350 for a more custom one that adds a lot of additional new features. That's pretty cool. They also provide beginner audit services, so initial audits. These are kind of more inexpensive, $100, $350. So most teams, as I've said before on my channel, they eventually aspire to do the more expensive, fully encompassed CertTech audit. Those are expensive. They can cost up to $10,000, $20,000, but most teams don't have those funds initially. So they start with a cheaper audit, usually costs a couple $100. This team, Build a Block, they offer auditing services. Good starter thing right there. And then they also have design service. They can do web design and graphic design, NFT design, meme, GIF design, all that kind of stuff right there. Let's look. Let's click on the dApps right here. What do we have? Anything more? It's really kind of cool actually seeing a revenue generating product. It is the rarity, and they have generated between $300,000 and $400,000. There is a link right here which shows you exactly, I'll show you in a sec, how many sales, products they have, and revenue amounts. Given, let's see, so the token locker, I've already mentioned that. They can Dex aggregator, so if you have your token trading on a bunch of different decentralized exchanges and you want to make sure the price is kind of the same on each decentralized exchange, they can build that aggregator for you. See, the build token, that's the native tokens trading just on Uniswap. So what are the benefits of owning it? So they're still kind of building these out, but profit sharing. Again, it is a revenue generating company, so you will earn a share of profits what they're building out. And then also there's a percentage of the transaction fee. So a percentage of the 5% buy and sell tax, that is like a reflection. It goes back to the holders, but you have to be holding the tokens. That's another benefit right there. Check out the roadmap to see where they are heading with this project. So the roadmap is a little bit different because it has stuff like sales. So they've already accomplished the $100,000 sales. They're phase one, they mostly done. The white paper, initial audit, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko. They are in the process, or they're on CoinMarketCap. I'm not sure about CoinGecko. Phase two, expansion of the company, hire new developers, have some additional services, increase their social media presence, some centralized exchanges. That's definitely probably the main thing they're focusing on right now. I think exchanges like the fact that this company actually has revenues coming in. Phase three, Google SEO. Again, they are run just like a regular company. Most other coins don't really care about the Google search engines. This company does. Then they want to get some more individual sales figures here. They want to get some interviews with some Web3 people. Phase four, they're going to really incorporate the brand further, have an actual physical location, the headquarters, more sales figures, finance listing. That's a goal right there. That's pretty cool. Now let's check out the Twitter page to kind of get a feeling. So are they going to have some memes? They're going to have some GIFs because they're not really a meme coin, but they do have that new token feel. So it's at Build a Block ERC. So they do a lot of burns here. That's good. Burns are huge. If anything, they're good for publicity. They are designed to help the token price, but even if the token price remains flat, people love burns. It does people bring holders, bring fans to the community. So like this burn right here, 10,000 tokens. So if you click here to see actually where the burn, proof of it, you would want to go right down here. So you see the tokens were sent from this wallet to the null. That's the burn wallet, 10,000 tokens. And since the price is about 3 cents right there, so that's $330. That's, it's just a new project. So that's a considerable amount of money right there. It definitely gives trust. What else? Here's their link for the number of sales. They've delivered 367 total sales to 205 clients. Click out of this right here. What else do they have? Adam Schultz, this is a guy right here. He covered another project yesterday, Kento. I wasn't really too familiar with this guy. He's an influencer, but he covered it yesterday. That project's doing very well, so he's also on this one right here. So I'm a fan of the guy. He seems to pick good projects like I do. Yeah, more burns, 5,000 token burn. That's about $150, etc. Here's the launch on Ethereum. Looks like they did a little 0% buy tax, 0% sell tax special when they first launched. Here's their monthly sales report. Again, really cool. It's like a regular company, $34,000 in monthly sales to 26 clients in the month of June through mid-July. And then down here, going further down, they do some AMAs. We got some more burns. Where are these AMAs here? It's in like May. Yeah, here we go. So the founders they're not officially doxed like on the website or in the white paper, but they have done voice AMAs on Telegram and YouTube where they're actually talking and the real voices, and they, you know, from what I can see in the comments here, that people were very impressed with the AMAs. They have some guests on. The founders do really sound like they know what they're talking about. They've been very professional in their dealings with me, so that's what I like. Here's a roundtable AMA right here. So they're really not afraid to kind of get out, you know, put their voice to it and hustle. That's it for Build Block Finance. So again, links are at the bottom. New projects are always a little bit more risky, but this one isn't fully new. It's just from the token end. You always want to do your own due diligence. You know, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this project. I'm definitely a big fan of it. Obviously, you know, sales figures, you can't deny those. The company actually has sales figures like they do. That shows they have customers and people like working with this team. Hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Be back on Monday with a new video. Ben Crypto signing out. Catch you later.